The question, do you like, is Antaliv. Antaliv. Leave. Antaliv. Antaliv.
If you are asked whether you like something, you say istal for yes and chatal for no. Eishtef.
Antaliv Beethoven.
Chatal.
Antaliv Mozart.
Chatal. Chatal Mozart teacher.
Antaliv Wagner.
Chatal is talam rave.
G.
Rave.
Antaliv Rangers.
Chatal.
Antaliv Celtic.
Istol.
Istallums Rangers.
Staying with the sport theme, you'll be asked your opinion about a number of activities. Answer the question with either istal, yes, or chatal, no.
Antaliv driving. Do you like driving? Antaliv driving.
Istal or chatal.
Antaliv snav. Swimming. Antaliv snav.
Istal or chatal.
Antaliv bal kusha. Football. Antaliv bal kusha.
Istal or chatal.
Antaliv imen. Shinti. Antaliv imen.
Istal or chatal.
This time you ask Shonak the question suggested. Do you like football? Antaliv bal kusha.
Istal.
Ask whether she likes driving. Antaliv driving.
Chatal.
Ask whether she likes swimming. Antaliv snav.
Oh, istal. As usual, before the recap, a chance to look at a question you may hear from a close friend. We have already met Antaliv. Do you like? Antaliv. You may also hear Antalat. Antalat.
Martin va, Katriana. Ha shreddy sakam agus ha coco crispy sakam. Antalat shreddies.
Chatal.
Antalat coco crispies.
Istal.
Gleva.
And the recap. I like coffee. Istalum coffee. I like coffee. Istalum coffee.
I don't like whiskey. Chatalu mushkebehe. I don't like whiskey. Chatalu mushkebehe.
Do you like football? Antaliv bal kusha. Do you like football? Antaliv bal kusha.